स्टूडेंट टाइप स्मार्ट काम करो, सब्सक्राइब के साथ साथ बेल आइकन भी दबाओ।
Hello guys, welcome to Manwar. In today's video we'll talk all about the NCHMCT JEE exam, and along with it we'll also discuss one of the dream college of each hotel management aspirant, and that is the IHM Pusa. So we'll cover the important points like the eligibility criteria, paper pattern, what will be the cutoff, the selection process of it, seat availability and the placement. So guys, stay tuned with me to get each detail about it. So to enter into IHM, you have to crack NCHMCT JEE. The eligibility criteria says your age should not be exceed to 25 years. That means for open category candidates, and there is age relaxation of 3 years for ST/SC category. So 28 years. With respect to qualification, so candidate must have passed 10+2 or equivalent exam with English as a mandatory subject. So let's move further. Now we'll talk about the paper pattern here. So total number of questions will be 200 and the time limit for it is 180 minutes. The exam mode will be completely online, and each year the exam will be held in the month of April tentatively. So here are the some sections. The first one, that is numerical ability and analytical aptitude, 30 questions out of it, that means for 120 marks. Second one, the reasoning and logical deduction, 30 questions from it. Third one, general knowledge and current affairs, 30 questions out of it. The most weightage for the English language, 60 questions from it, and from service sector 50 questions. So overall 200 questions are there for 800 marks. That means for each correct answer you will get +4 marks, while for each incorrect answer you will lose 1 mark. So there is a negative marking system. And now to enter into IHM, how many marks you require? So here we'll talk about the cutoff. As the cutoff depends on various parameters: the number of applicants, the number of candidates appearing for the exam, the number of seat availability and the difficulty level of exams. So with respect to cutoff, each year it depends on various parameters, but you have to score 160 plus marks to enter into IHM Pusa. So guys, think high. If you wanna enter into IHM Pusa, so your target should be 160 plus marks. And if we consider about ranking, then your rank should not be more than 250. So moving further, let's have brief info about IHM Pusa. So the Institute of Hotel Management, Catering and Nutrition, Pusa, is one of the premier hospitality institute of India, providing the quality hospitality education at undergraduate, graduate and postgraduate levels. So the institute comes under the aegis of Ministry of Tourism, Government of India, and it established in 1962. And this institute awarded as Best Hotel Management Institute in the country consecutively 6 times in a row by Ministry of Tourism, Government of India. So friends, if you want to make your career in this rapidly growing hospitality industry, then your aim should be IHM Pusa. And it is the top institute in India, each year recognized by Outlook, Hindustan Times and various other media platforms. So IHM Pusa offers the various programs such as BSc in Hotel Hospitality Administration, MSc in Hospitality Administration, various diploma programs, various craftsmanship courses and PG degree programs. So here we'll talk about the bachelor's program, and for it, it has 321 seats. So friends, each year the seat number varies. For example, last year the total seat number are 246, while this year it has 321. So regarding the seat update, you can check the official website. So moving further, now here we'll talk about the selection process for IHM Pusa. So all this IHM has the same selection process through NCHMCT JEE counseling process. So it includes these 5 steps. The first one, register online. The step 2, choice of filling and locking. The third one, seat allotment in online mode. The fourth one, report to the allotted institute. And the step 5, that is payment of admission fees and hostel fees. So guys, regarding this selection process, you can watch our previous video named as NCHMCT JEE selection process. Now moving further, so the best part is the career scope and the placement. If you are in IHM Pusa or you targeting the IHM Pusa for your hospitality studies, so don't worry about the placement, because it has the 100% placement record. It has the tradition of 100% placement for so many years. So friends, आपको चिंता करने की कोई बात नहीं. Students were offered more than 100 positions at management and executive levels. So last year, as many as 40 companies visited the institute for the campus recruitment, as some of these companies like Hyatt, The Lalit, ITC, Hilton, Marriott, Starbucks, Sancha, Lila Ambience, Lemon Tree, Reliance, Metro Cash and Carry, the Oberoi Hotels, Claridge's, Park, Epic India, McDonald's, and there are various companies. So friends, don't worry at all about the placement. All these are the top-notch companies where in the starting range you will get the highest package, which is stand at 5.5 lakh per annum, and the average stand at 3.5 lakh per annum. So guys, don't worry about these figures. These are for the just starting range. As you will have the experience in your respective fields, you will get more than these numbers. So guys, if we consider the placement, then it will gives you the best return on investment. So friends, to become a part of IHM Pusa, let's prepare for the NCHMCT JEE. And to crack it, join Manwar online program where you will get books, mock test, sectional and full course, and here you can also interact live with us. So call on these number or you can visit to the manwaredu.com/hotel management. And if you are Mumbai based, then you can join our classroom sessions at Borivali, Dadar and Vasai. So thank you very much guys. All the best for your career. See you in the next video.